Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Update Review, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews and updates. Today, we have something special, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner. This SUV has always been a fan favorite, and the latest model brings exciting updates. Let's dive into the details. The 2025 Fortuner retains its bold and muscular design but gets refined touches. The new front grille looks more aggressive with a chrome-accented pattern. The LED headlamps are now sleeker with integrated DRLs. The bumper is redesigned with a wider air intake for a sportier look. The side profile remains familiar, but Toyota has introduced new alloy wheel designs that add to its rugged appeal. The rear gets updated LED taillights and a tweaked bumper, giving it a more premium stance. Step inside, and the Fortuner greets you with a refreshed cabin. The dashboard now features a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster adds a modern touch. The materials feel more premium, with soft touch elements on the dashboard and door panels. The leather-wrapped steering wheel and ventilated seats enhance comfort. Toyota has also improved the ambient lighting, giving the cabin a more luxurious feel. Under the hood, the 2025 Fortuner continues with the trusted 2.8L turbo diesel engine, now fine-tuned for better efficiency and power delivery. It produces 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic or manual transmission. Toyota has refined the suspension for a smoother ride, while the 4WD system with electronic differential lock ensures better off-road capability. Fuel efficiency has improved slightly, making it a more practical choice for long drives. Toyota has packed the 2025 Fortuner with advanced features. It now gets an updated ADAS suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. The infotainment system supports connected car tech, allowing you to control functions via a smartphone app. A premium JBL sound system enhances the audio experience. Other features include a wireless charger, 360-degree camera, powered tailgate, and a panoramic sunroof. Safety has always been a strong point for the Fortuner. The 2025 model comes with 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, hill start assist, and vehicle stability control. The improved ADAS features add another layer of protection, making it one of the safest SUVs in its segment. Toyota has priced the 2025 Fortuner competitively, considering its feature updates. Prices start around $40,000 for the base model, going up to $55,000 for the top-spec variant. It competes with the Ford Everest, Isuzu MU-X, and Jeep Meridian. Despite strong competition, the Fortuner remains a top pick for those who want a reliable, powerful, and feature-packed SUV. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner builds on its legacy with modern updates, improved comfort, and better technology. It remains a solid choice for off-road enthusiasts and families looking for a premium SUV. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you pick the Fortuner over its rivals? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alex Auto Vehicle for more automotive updates. See you in the next review.